Hi guys, welcome back to another episode Up-N-Runnin. Thanks for watching. On today's episode, we're going to continue working on the Blazer. We're going to test fit some of the new trim that we got and lay out the center white portion so we can get that painted. So I hope you enjoy it. Alright, we're going to go get back on the Blazer here. We're going to tape it off so we can get the white painted down the center of it. There's the doors. And then the hood's over here. It's not painted yet. We still have to paint the gold. It's still got to paint the gold on that.
Alright, off the top of your head. I'm not going to tell you what this rolling is for. See how you have silver and you have black?
Yeah.
What goes up, what goes down?
I think it's this way. So I think this is the other side of it.
I think this is this side. Well, I think the black's facing.
That's a good question.
I had a look one day, but I think the blacks go and face each other. Or you can look at one outside.
Yeah, I'm gonna go look. Alright, we're gonna go look at one of these trucks and see which way the molding goes on. Okay, so the thicker part is on the top and the thinner part is on the bottom. I'll look at a couple of these just to make sure. Yeah, the thicker is on the top, the thinner is on the bottom, and then it's thin and thicker on the bottom on the lower. So that's the way we'll do it. So this is the top, right? So this is for this side.
Okay.
And there's thicker silver on the top, thinner on the bottom. But when you do the lower, this way, right? Thin is up and the thicker is down.
And you know what I'm going to do is, this is one of the bad ones. And honestly, it probably would work, but I'm not going to chance it. I'd rather use it.
Alright, so this is why you look at this stuff before you put it on. Okay, so this, oh, what's interesting here, this is factory paint. And you can see this one they taped off up here and this one they taped off down here. But this does run right on the very top of the body line. And yeah, this is all right at the top of the body line. Let's go look at another truck. This truck right here is an original paint truck too, so this should be correct as well. Yeah, this is right at the top of the body line, basically. Right there. Let's look at this Blazer here too, just to triple check. Now it's right at the top of the body line, and the screw does go through the center of the black. So we'll have to check that piece that we're looking at. Let's go look at the other side. It's the same way. Alright, we're wondering how much clearance there is and where this trim goes to. It looks like it's just shy or right at, there's a little body line right there, and then there's just a hint of a gap. Now let's look at this one. That one's a lot tighter. Let's go to this one. That one's got a little bit of a gap. That one's tight, but it looks like the wheel opening trim follows that molding, that little body line pretty well. Again, let's look at another one and see what it does. Now in this case there's a little bit of a gap both in front and in the rear of the wheel opening. Let's check the front. Alright, that answers that. Alright, that's going to wrap it up for another episode Up and Running. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. Be sure to come back next time. We'll keep working on the Blazer. Hi guys, welcome back to another episode Up and Running.